See what I'm wearing.
Hello. We're going to be doing a
Everyday
look, no turning back challenge, and I'm with Crystal XOX Games. Now let's start.
Oh, this is hard actually.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. I picked my first thing and I cannot turn back.
We can change the colours, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot we can't turn back. I just picked that. What did you do? Oh, I picked like a dress thingy. Oh god, I hate my life.
Oh, I just picked something really bad as well.
Ooh, I'm gonna
Off to a great start.
I'm gonna go for something that I know I like. It's in styled hair. I always have something in styled hair in my look.
I mean, like, my look is actually okay now.
Oh my god, I was about to click something, but I don't like it. I was about to just see what it looks like. This is so hard. Oh, I found something.
Wait.
No turning back now.
Can you change the colour?
Yes.
Like, if you don't like the colour, you can change it.
Yeah.
Oh, that shouldn't be a rule.
Well, I've already changed all the colours so far.
No, that's not what I mean. Okay, whatever.
Oh, I like this.
Dang.
I might actually buy this.
Buy what?
My outfit.
I'm not. My hair pretty much matches my pants.
Oh my god. So now,
What
oh god, shoes. Oh, okay.
No,
I've
Sesame's
been.
gonna be around.
Ooh. I've been invited to join a catwalk.
Miraculous, get turned into gold.
Wait, what? Oh, okay.
I'm actually.
Oh, I'm about to click on these. But then, like,
nope.
then I'm gonna have to change it.
Oh, you already have diamonds?
Yeah, 87.
No, you have diamonds in your look.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Top.
Why would you choose a diamond top?
Because?
Because why not? Like, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
My
Oh,
look
okay.
is actually okay. Beat this Liddy.
Okay, India. You did the same.
By the way, I'm Crystal XOX. I'm nice. I'm not rude. So.
Oh yeah, this was meant to be a little short thingy, but it changed. She's not rude. She's really kind.
I gave back to her for uploading the video. I was like, oh, Lily. Is that why you gave me the greet? Because you got the diamond pack and you didn't tell me?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because, oh my god, I was about to click on something. I was about to click on that.
Oh, I wish you did.
Hair.
How much accessories are we allowed?
As much as we want.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think you should have said that.
I don't think I should have either.
Okay. What happens if you click something and then you want something else, but it gets rid of that item? Because I want this, but it gets rid of that.
Choose one out of the two. I know it's really hard, but you don't have to buy it. That's the thing. I'm gonna buy mine though. And then I'm gonna change back to my Rare Week look. Since it's Rare Week. I need to burp.
I don't really like that colour. Let's do black and white. Really, no one needed to know that. Stop it.
Oh, I found a bucket hat.
You can't have it because I'm wearing one.
That's not true.
Kind of is.
Well, I mean, I know you are wearing one, but it doesn't mean I can't have it.
You can't have it in. I meant white. Black. Okay, I'm pretty much done. You?
No.
This might take a while. Oh, I want to click on a whole bunch of random things.
You really want me to go to the catwalk.
and then invite me, and then I'll be like, oh, what's that?
I'm just going to ask why.
Don't ask why. She does it anyways. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to wear socks and
Why
sliders.
do you want me to go to the catwalk? People that say catwalk. Catwalk so badly.
Because I love you. Guess what?
What do you want? What? Oh. Ooh,
Season 2.
I'm getting a response.
19.
Oh, okay. I just like Max.
Show me the number.
What's the?
Adrian reveals himself. Well, everyone thinks it's a dream. Reveals himself.
Is this the episode which
No.
isn't out yet?
Yeah. Reveals. Here.
What is that? What is happening? I'm very confused.
We're ruining the relationships.
I'm really confused. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We missed it.
Screenshot it. Oh, we just did all of that on camera.
Oh, oops.
Leave a like if you like Miraculous.
And if you don't, then still leave a like, because we're desperate.
And I only have 8 subscribers because I'm lonely.
You have 9.
Have you subscribed
Get
to
it
my
right.
YouTube channel? I have 9?
Yeah.
I don't even know this.
Yeah, I definitely subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Okay.
No, definitely. I think. You might get 10 subscribers. Me, a cat. I spelled your name wrong.
Tay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you didn't subscribe to me?
Oh.
You subscribed.
Is that you?
No, that's me.
Oh, you haven't echoed yet. Oh no. Here you go.
Oh, okay. Put the post notification thingamabobbies on.
Okay, I've subscribed.
Always been subscribed.
Are you almost done?
Yeah. I need to put again.
Wait, how are they gonna know what my outfit looks like?
Okay, there. I'm done.
How they? Oh, we have to.
I don't like it.
We have to buy it. We have to buy it so they know what our outfits
I'm
look like.
gonna choose something else to go on my head.
Actually, you can't.
I didn't click on it. I clicked on something else and it got rid of it. And it's like...
Okay, click on me when you see my outfit change when it's all ready. Cause I have to buy my look for you. I hate this challenge. I'd rather be watching Miraculous. Episode 18 is out.
Is it actually out?
I already seen it. So.
Oh my god.
I don't watch everything without you. Good. Okay, here we go.
I want to
Show them
click
my
it.
amazing look.
I will, 1 second.
See, I'm a level 29. Offend me. Don't actually, I'll kill you.
This is what. Okay,
Ow.
she's gone now. Okay, so this is what she thought of.
A casual.
Yeah, she thought of nothing. Oh yeah, look at
Get
that.
rid of that. That isn't supposed to be there.
Why don't you get rid of it then?
I have.
Well, yeah, as you could. I'm going to have to show you all my friends. This is her.
No, carefully.
Help.
Okay, I get to choose the next scene.
Not reveal my friend.
You have to pause it.
I can't pause it though.
Yeah, you can.
It won't let me.
That's sad because how are you going to upload it if, like, we only have time for one look? You know?
Okay, well that was the rest of the video. We're going to do another one straight afterwards. I'm going to buy this.
Don't subscribe to me.
Oh my god.
I always wanted to see this.
What the hell?
Yeah. I love it too.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay then.
Oh my god, I love this song. What is it called?
Oh, okay then.
Beep. Beep.
Lol.
Oh my god, it goes well with my catfish net thingies. I like this song. You see how catchy this person's songs are? Oh, okay then. My friend here is listening to Kanye West.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yeah, you are.
That's wrong.
You were. Oh my god, you're subscribed to Patrick Thingamabobby?
Who?
That person. Same!
Oh, subscribe to the same people. Okay, all we can say is that I won this challenge.
Okay,
so-
goodbye, people.